here with Milana. And today we're going to be drawing
some Octonauts.
All right, who are we drawing from Octonauts?
Peso.
He's the penguin, right?
Yeah, he's my favorite.
He's your favorite? Oh, you're so cute. All right, let's get started.
All right, so to get started, we're going to go right in the center, and we're just going to draw a little arch mountain that goes up and over. Looking good. Now from there, we're going to start over on this side, and we're going to make a U that swoops down and comes back up to connect over here. Nice. Now we're going to use our finger so we know how far to go. So my finger's right here, and right by the top of my finger, I'm just going to draw a diagonal line. Let's do the same thing on the other side using our finger. Put it right next to this nose that we made in the middle, and starting on the outside of your finger, do a little diagonal going down. Oh, that looks perfect. Starting on the outside of that diagonal, we're going to draw a little curved line coming up and in. Great, let's go to the other side, and we're just going to do a little curved line as well, going up and in. This one's going to be real small. And now all we need to do is connect them. Perfect. That's one eye, but we need another. So on the other side, let's go ahead and just draw a curved line coming up and in on this side. And now on the other side, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to curve the line and bring it up and in, and we're going to connect. All right, right up at the top, we're going to draw a circle. Same thing on the other side. Towards the top, we're going to draw a circle. And now we're just going to color it in, leaving just that circle white. Yep, just color it in black. All right, that looks great. So let's bring it back to center, and we're going to start right above the nose, up kind of high, and we're going to make a nice arched mountain going from center up and over past his eye. That looks good. Let's do the same thing going the other way. So start at center and make a mountain going the other way, about the same size, up and over. Now we're going to come over to this side, and starting at the bottom of this mountain, we're just going to curve around, making a really wide U that comes under the eyes and the nose and connects on the other side. That's looking really good. All right, now starting on the bottom at center, we want to leave a little space, so don't touch the line, but we're going to create another line that just follows along our initial line over to the side. And we're going to start at center. We're going to do the same thing going the other direction. Just follow that line along and stop right about over here. Good. We want to make sure we're nice and high. So starting up nice and high, right about center, we're going to make a small smiley face. Good. Now starting over on this side of the smiley face, we're just going to create a line that comes over and follows along on the side and connects with that line we made on the bottom. Same thing on the other side. We start over on this side of the smiley face, curve it around, and meet up with that line on the bottom. Let's come back up to that smiley face. Over here on this side, we're just going to make a diagonal that goes up and out. Same thing on the other side, up and out, looking good. Now let's make another smiley face connecting those two lines. Just swoop it down and back up, looking good. We're going to come over on the left side here, and we're going to bring it in just a bit, and we're going to make a mountain that comes down just inside of that other point. Nice mountain right up on top. All right, now going down here, we're going to make a little diagonal over here on the left, right underneath his eye. And on the other side, right underneath the eye towards the inside, you're going to make another diagonal going out. Now right in the middle, we just want to make a nice upside down V right in the center. Good. Now from the bottom of that V, we're just going to connect the two lines over on this side and connect the two lines over on this side as well. Well, it's starting to look like Peso. It's sure coming together. You're doing a great job. All right, so starting over here, just inside from the corner, we are going to make a big, tall U. We're going to bring it down and over and bring it back up just inside this outer corner. Oh, that looks amazing. Now we're going to come right out here on this corner, and we're just going to draw a curved line coming up and over and down. Good. At the end of that line, let's go ahead and just make a U that brings it back in. Now we're going to come over here, not quite touching the line, and we're going to draw a line that curves over almost like a smiley face, and then it comes down to connect to that U. Same thing on the other side. Let's start right here at this corner, and we're going to make a curved line coming over to the side and down. Good. Now let's just add a little U to it. It's kind of like a backward C. Let's curve it more. Now it's a U. Now from there, we're just going to bring it back in and almost touch the line, but not quite. Nice. All right, now starting over here on this line, we're just going to go ahead and bring that line down and follow this U, leaving a little bit of space. We don't want the lines to touch. Oh, you got it. Same thing on the other side. Follow along. Don't let the lines touch. Rock star. That looks great. All right, now right under here, just follow this line down. So right under his collar, we're just going to make a diagonal coming out. Now let's just add a curve and bring it back. We're going to make another diagonal coming down. And we're going to curve it up and back. Then we're just going to make a short line that comes down. Now we're going to curve it back up, making 1 foot on our penguin, Mr. Peso. Now for the other side, let's start just off of center, and we're going to make kind of like a U that's very wide coming up and over. Then we're going to make another short little U coming over, and from there, starting just below the top of that line, we're going to curve another U coming over and out. Now from that last line, let's go ahead and just make a line that brings it back in to meet up with his body. All right, there he is. Well, now that Peso is done, we're just going to need to do some coloring.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Count us down.
3, 2, 1.
Boom. That is cute, and that's your favorite, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's probably why you're so.
It has like an accent. Hey, I'm Peso.
Hey, I'm Peso. Yeah, and that's why you're so good at drawing him, because you know exactly what he looks like.
Yeah, I added a freckle for him.
I like his freckle. That's super cute. All right, we'll see you guys again next time for another How to Draw.